Hello everyone, welcome to another demonstration video of Dashboard Ninja with AI. In this video, we will see one of the very important features of Dashboard Ninja, Move and Duplicate. This helps you to copy or move any item from one dashboard to another dashboard. To achieve this, we will be navigating to an empty dashboard. Here on My Dashboard, you can see there are no items as of now. Go to another dashboard template. From here, we will be copying or moving two different charts or tiles in that empty dashboard. I will click on this button, select the destination dashboard, and click on the duplicate button. You can see the notification here. And when I navigate to my dashboard, you can see the chart has been duplicated here. Now, we'll again go back to the template dashboard. Again, click on this button, select my dashboard as the destination, and click on the Move button. You can see the notification. When we again go back to my dashboard, you can see the chart has been moved here. So all the items we are copying are moving and are coming over here. The difference between moving and duplicating a chart is when you duplicate a chart, a copy of the chart is created on the selected dashboard. Whereas when you move a chart, that chart is relocated from one dashboard to another. This feature helps to save our time and effort in creating these charts again. I hope this will be of great help. We'll be back with another feature video soon. Thank you.